Aloha to all of you out there that live in Hawaii or have lived in Hawaii. Here's the direct link to go to the Unclaimed Property Division in Hawaii. So let's click on it and go. See where it takes us. It takes us to Unclaimed Property Search for the state of Hawaii. So let's say, I'll use my last name. Durand. Let's say William. I've never lived there. I'm not a robot. And it'll have you claim. Make sure you are not a robot. So that one didn't work. Please verify all the matching. Mountain bike, mountain bike, mountain bike, mountain bike, mountain bike. That one, no. Once you verify it, if it gets you right, chimneys, okay. You'll be able to move on and do the search because you approve yourself. So for me, there's no records found, which I knew there wouldn't be. So I'm going to go back to the beginning, and I'm going to say, there's a name that I do know. Clay Keeney. And let's say Daniel, of course. And no results found. There are probably, Hawaii is probably the smallest holder of unclaimed funds, but there are claims there. So had a name popped up, you would have clicked on a tab that said claim. You would have claimed it, then there would have been a drop down menu which you have to select if you're doing it for yourself or somebody else. And then you would move on. You would fill out one page of all the information you can remember from your current address to previous addresses. Then you would click another button. It would take you forward, and it would give you instructions on how to file it once you get the email. You'll get an email probably within an hour. It will give you the direct link to upload your documentation. It will also give you a list of documents that you need, that you must have in order to file the claim. That's it. Best of luck for all the people in Hawaii, and aloha. Here's an update. I did find one individual, Dan Jones, and so we hit search. It shows a property ID number, Dan O. Jones, and it shows 1560 Thurston Street, number 1205, Honolulu, Hawaii 96822. The reporting company that this person had business with is MFS Service Center, and you have 100 shares of something sitting there to be claimed. Mutual fund shares is exactly what it is. It will tell you the company, the address that you have, mutual funds, the property ID number, and then you would start your claim right here as an individual and relationship self, and then you would finish, clean, no co-claimant on this, but you would finish filling all that out, and it would give you all the information you need to get those shares back in your hands.